Grapes are still in season, and as a village girl that I am, everyone that lives on my street that owns a private property, they all have grapes in their garden. So there is this neighbor, not my neighbor in my building, the next compound. He had a lot of grapes on his garden, so I went to him and he gave me some. Oh God, guys, you cannot believe what happened to me. My big juicer got spoiled. Then I decided to use this small one to press, which is known for only orange juice. But then after using it, I got this pulp, and this is not going to waste. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can use this pulp to actually make a very nutritious drink for yourself and for your family. And this is also high in fiber, so if you are someone that is looking for a fiber drink, this is something for you. So I added this inside the blender, and then I added my protein powder. This is portion for 3 or 4 times, because my husband will also be needing to go to work the next day. So normally what I would do is I added some plums, and then one plum I added also beetroot. I didn't know what is it with me and beetroot this time. I think in every of my juice, every of my smoothie, I must add yeah, so these are the things I added just to make it tasty, because it is still wet, but I still want to make it in a way that it's going to serve like a breakfast for both of us. My husband eats the food that he takes to work around 12, so he needs something to drink to keep him full before that time. So if you have something like this is the end result. What do you think? If I would have thrown this away, I wouldn't have been happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learn 1 or 2 things from this video. Do not throw your bulbs away. They can be of help to you. This juice can also serve as breakfast, dinner, and lunch if you are skipping any of your meals. Thank you for watching. Bye.